Alright, today I'm playing a game called Unscrew It. Yeah, I don't know, there's 50 levels, so I guess 5 parts? I don't know, what's the goal? Oh, do we like... Okay. So we're trying to get that to drop, but keeping all of our screws. Makes sense. To me, at least. Okay. Nice. Okay. There we go, it works. Okay, I can do that. Nice. Let's just keep on going. I want to get rid of that blue one first, just because it seems easier than a lot of the others. There we go. And that. Very nice. Okie dokie. That shifted a tiny bit. Okay. There. That can go there, that can hang out down here, and that can go there. Good enough, I say. Okay, wasn't expecting an ad, but not much you can do about it, so it's chill. Okay. Nice. This seems to like it's gonna be a oh, it's a little dude with a massive. Anyway, it's there we go. That's better. Yes, this will be a shorter one than usual. Just because, you know, if we're doing 10 level intervals, it's just not gonna last as long. That's just how it is. But that's okay. Oh, that's a problem. I broke it. Let's just... yeah, maybe drop the leggies. There we go. Nice. Okay. Can drop that piece right off the bat. These are now loosey-goosey. Okay. I'm glad there aren't a limited amount of moves. I feel like that wouldn't really aid this game in any way. Oh no, it's a very chill game. It's good. Me like a lot. It's going, it's just taking its sweet time. Can't hate it for that. It's pretty chill. Just minding its own business. Okay. And then we'll just pop this over here. Very cool. And that's where we're going to leave it off for now. Just for now. We'll probably come back tomorrow with some more. That was Unscrew It, part part 1. A very good game. Little puzzle thingy with wood and screws and stuff. If you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a skedaddle. See ya.